ஹலோ அதான் போடுறேன் மேம். வந்துருச்சு. ஹலோ அதான் போடுறேன் மேம். ஹலோ அதான் போடுறேன் மேம். Good afternoon, participants. This is Prasanna Venkatesan from Department of CSE, Keetham University, Bangalore, working as assistant professor. Okay, in this session, we are going to learn about a few Python libraries. Python libraries, we are going to learn. Okay, in the last day, that is the first class of this machine learning workshop, we have learned about. Good afternoon, participants. This is Prasanna Venkatesan. You have learned about the basics of your machine learning algorithms. So that is given by Gina Jacob, madam. Okay, in that basics, okay, madam have introduced very many applications, the basic concept. Those things they have given to you. Okay, in this session, okay, we'll be learning about how to implement all those algorithms. Okay, that means what is the basic we need? What is the basic we need in order to implement all of those application? Okay, that one we will be discussing in today's class. And I hope everyone have installed Anaconda in your device. Okay. Okay, if you have installed, just type in the search bar Jupyter. Okay, just type Jupyter and you can able to see the Jupyter notebook. Okay, just click on it. Okay, it will be opening in a browser. Okay, it will be opened in the browser. Okay, like this. Okay, it will be opened in the browser like this. Okay, everyone open it. Okay, you can do parallelly along with me. Then okay, we'll be having a wonderful training with this workshop. Okay, just type in the search bar after installing. Okay, in the first day of workshop, they have given the installation link for Jupyter. Okay, after installing, just type Jupyter in the search bar. You can able to get the first option as the Jupyter notebook window like this in your browser. Okay, after creating this one, okay, just create a new folder. Just create a new folder. You can see here, new is there. You can just create a new folder and name it as ML workshop Geetham. Okay, likewise, I have given here now. Likewise, create a folder and give name as ML workshop Geetham. Okay, after that, go into that folder. Okay, then create a new Python file. Okay, in the right side, you can see new and click on the Python 3 notebook. Just click on this notebook and give name as day 2. Give name as day 2. Okay, after giving the name, just open that file. Okay, likewise, it will be open. It will open in your browser. Okay, in this environment, we will be going to learn few Python packages that is useful for machine learning. Okay, the algorithm, development of machine learning algorithm. Okay, here I have given few introduction to Python for development of machine learning algorithm. Okay, then okay, we are having many type of languages. Why we need Python for machine learning? Okay, that is the first thing many of you get to know. Okay, first it is a versatile language and it is a flexible language. Versatile means okay, it will be supporting any platform, whatever it may be. It was your system. You have installed OS, that is Windows or Linux or Mac. Okay, every type of platform it will be supporting. There is a versatile and flexible language. Okay, here we will be having only few lines of code. Okay, instead of other languages, okay, you will be having here a few lines of code in order to execute a big problem, also solve a big problem. So then it is faster than R language and Matlab. Okay, it will be the running time of this Python language will be faster for than the R programming and Matlab. And here it will be using a very little amount of memory, but therefore it has a high memory management. and it is a tool. The Python we can use as a special purpose analysis tool for the machine learning algorithm. Okay, in order to install this Python, okay, we can go for Anaconda. Okay, it will be having a bunch of softwares. Okay, in Anaconda, so therefore we are going for Anaconda software. Okay, in Anaconda single edition. Okay, this is a link for in order to download the Anaconda single edition software, and you can also work with, if you have not installed Anaconda software in your system, you can go for Google Collaboratory. Okay, this is the link. By clicking here, you can go to the okay, you have to sign in with Google, then you can work. So that is so possible. Okay, in this session we will be learning about 3 major libraries that is useful for developing machine learning algorithms. Okay, that is Numpy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. Okay, these are the 3 libraries, most needed libraries in order to develop your algorithms. Okay, let us move on to that one. Okay, first one we are going to see is Numpy. So what is Numpy? It is a numerical Python. Okay, using this library, we can able to perform many scientific computing as well as some statistical computing as well. So we can able to perform. Okay, it will be okay. This Numpy will be creating multi-dimensional array. Okay, using that one, we can able to perform statistical computing as well as scientific computing as well. Okay, okay, then you can see this already I told this Python will be taking very less memory. Okay, then the conventional Python. Okay, because of using this Numpy library, it will be taking very less amount of memory. Okay, what are the operations we can perform with the Numpy means? Okay, the mathematical operation, the logical operation using arrays, the Fourier transform we can perform, and you can do some shape manipulation, the dimension manipulation we can able to do. Okay, then the operations that is related to linear algebra and other algebras, basic algebra we can able to perform, and the statistical operation. Okay, then the random simulation. Okay, those things also we can able to perform with this Numpy library. Okay, that's why we are choosing the Numpy library for developing our ML algorithms. Okay, then first we will be learning about the Numpy arrays. Okay, here it is an array class is ND array, that is n dimensional array. Here the Numpy array we are calling it as a n dimensional array. Okay, here it has the same property of general array. Okay, it will be a fixed size. And array means what? It is a collection of elements with the same data type. Collection of elements with the same data type. And also it is indexed with from 0. It will be indexed starting with 0. Okay, likewise here Numpy also will be having the same properties. And you can access those Numpy array elements using square brackets. Okay, let us see the attributes of this. Okay, this array Numpy array. Okay, if you want to know the accesses, that is dimension of your array means you can use okay, the created Numpy array dot n dim. Okay, n dim means it is a dimension. It will be showing the dimension. If you want to know the shape, that is n cross n, how many rows and how many columns are there in your array. That one you want to know means you can go for the created Numpy array dot shape. Okay, it will be showing okay, what is how many number of columns or how many number of rows you will be having in your array Numpy array. Okay, the size, okay, total number of elements done in the Numpy array. Okay, this created array dot size will be showing a total number of elements in the array. Then the data type. What is the data type I am having? Okay, I have created an array and I want to know what is my data type. Okay, then you can choose this one. Okay, this okay, ND array. There is a created name of your array Numpy array dot D type. That is data type. Then item size. Item size. Okay, what is the byte? What is the memory it is taking in order to store that element? Okay, that is a item size. The size here, the size is total number of element in the array, but here the item size is the memory, how much memory it is taking in order to store that element in the Numpy array. And then if you want to know that item, what is there in the created Numpy array means you can use the created array Numpy array dot data. Okay, this is the buffer. It will be showing you the actual elements that we have stored in the array. Okay, therefore this is the some basic characters you want to know about Numpy array. Let us move on to create a array now. Okay, Numpy array. Okay, now okay, in order to I already told this Numpy is a package. Okay, it is a library. Numpy is a library. We need to import that library into our working environment. Okay, how to create a NumPy array means first you have to import your NumPy library into your working environment. How can I import? Okay, just this is the code. Okay, I can use NumPy, import NumPy as NP. Okay, NP. Okay, that is simply in order to access the NumPy simply I am using NP. You can whatever the alias name you can use, that you can use here. Okay, here NumPy import. I am importing the library NumPy alias NP. Okay, for simplicity. Okay, therefore I have imported now the library. Okay, I want to create an array. Okay, just to call array. I am going to create a array A. Okay, that is A is equal to NP. Okay, already I told NP that's the alias name for NumPy. Okay, therefore NP dot array. NP dot array. Okay, array in that function. I am going to create a NumPy array. Okay, this let me choose 2, 3, 4. Okay, these are my array elements. Okay, just and I want to display that one. Okay, therefore I am giving A. Okay, that is the array name. Okay, just to give shift enter. Okay, it will be displaying. Okay, the what is there in A. Okay, therefore first code that is importing the library NumPy as NP. In that the next one I am creating a array NumPy array with the name A, and I am calling the NumPy library using NP dot array. Dot array means what? I am going to create a array. Okay, in that array what are my elements? Okay, these are my elements. Okay, 2, 3, 4. These are my elements, and I want to see what is there in A. What is there in A? Just to give, just call that name what you have created. Just giving that name. Okay, it will be okay. You can see the output here. Okay, the output is this array, and the elements in the array are 2, 3, and 4. Okay, let us create one more array with floating. Okay, I'm going to create one more array B. Okay, equal to NP dot array. Okay, here I'm going to give floating values. Okay, okay, these are my, let us take okay, these are my floating values. I'm giving just a shift enter. Okay, that is used for executing the cell. And if you want to know the elements, what is there in B? Okay, just give print B. It will be giving. Okay, these are my elements in B. Okay, this is how first I have created an integer data type. Now I have created floating data type. You can also create a complex also. Okay, for example, okay, I can C is the name I'm going to give for one more array for complex data type. Okay, student participants, if you have installed your Jupyter, you can also work parallelly with me. And if you have getting any error, you can let me know. You can solve. Okay, I'm going to create a complex. Okay, this is the complex. I'm going to give the data type as complex. So, data type as I'm going to give as complex. Just to give shift enter, and I want to know what is there in C. You can see. Okay, you can see it is created an array with a complex data type. Okay, already you know the array means okay, it will be containing the same data type. Now I am going to create one array with different data type. Let me see what will be the output now. Okay, I'm going to create a combination of integer as well as float. Okay, so this is my array. Okay, I'm executing it by pressing shift enter. Okay, I want to know what is there in my D. Okay, what could be the result here? Okay, it will be taking the NumPy array. It will be converting all the elements into a floating point. It will be converting all elements into floating point. You can see here. Okay, the one I have given the integer 1, but it is converted into a floating. Okay, here already it is floating. Okay, no problem. Here the 4 that is converted into a floating. Okay, therefore it will be the array. It will be handling only the same data type. It is a collection of data type. Okay, now I want to create a range of numbers. I want to create a range of numbers. Okay, let me take that as a E. Okay, that array, and I am going to create it. Okay, I want to create a sequence of a range of number. Okay, I can use one function is there. I can use that function a range. Okay, I want to have the sequence of number up to 5. Okay, just execute this function. Okay, it will be giving you the sequence of number up to 5. You can see, okay, it is there up to 5 elements. Okay, 0, it is starting from 0 and up to 4 it is having. Okay, now I want to create a sequence of number with starting and stopping point. Okay, I want to create a number with the starting and stopping point. Okay, therefore you can use the same function, a range. Okay, I want to start, instead of it is starting from 0, I want to start from 1. I want to stop okay before 5. Therefore I'm executing the function. Like, then you can able to see what are the elements. Okay, 4 elements I'm getting. It is starting with 4 and ending before 5. I want to get a sequence of number. And another function that is okay, that is stepwise. Okay, now I want to increment the number by 0.5. Okay, let us, for that one you need to give, okay, the starting number, okay, the stopping number and step number. Okay, I want to increment every number 0.5 up to 5. Okay, then execute this one. Okay, you'll be getting what is there in G. Okay, you can see, okay, every number is incremented by 0.5 step. Okay, and up to 4.5 we will be getting. Okay, therefore a range function, okay, that will be giving you a sequence of numbers. Okay, the syntax you can use as a, okay, first one will be starting. Okay, this one is the stopping. Okay, this is the step size, how much I want to increment. Okay, this is the another function that will be useful. Okay, now I want to create a array. I want to create an array with zeros. Okay, I want to create an array with zeros. Okay, therefore I can use this function np dot, okay, zeros. Okay, here I want to use 2 columns, 3 okay, 2 rows, 3 columns. Okay, likewise I want to create a array with zeros. Okay, let us see what is h now. Okay, h will be having, okay, you can see it will be having 2 rows and 3 columns with 0 value. Similarly, you can create a one array as well. Okay, for example, the np dot ones. Okay, similarly you can use 2, 2 number of rows and 3 number of columns. Execute it. Okay, j will be having, okay, the all elements will be 1. Okay, let us move on to the next one. Okay, now I want to I want to create a sequence of number. From that number I want to create a 2-dimensional array or a 3-dimensional array. Okay, then how I can create? First I am creating a range of sequence of number up to, okay, up to 15. I am going to create now. So therefore the a will be having, okay, 15 data elements. Okay, now I want to, from this one, okay, from this a I want to create a okay, 2-dimensional array. I want to create a 2-dimensional array. How can I create? Okay, that is a one more function is that, okay, that is reshape. Okay, using the reshape function, okay, you can, okay, convert this sequence of number into a array. Okay, the sequence of numbers into array you can able to convert using this one. Okay, let me see what is a now. Okay, there is a spelling mistake here. Okay, reshape. Okay, you can see now a what it is. You can see now this sequence of number is converted into a array, okay, 2-dimensional array. And okay, instead of going for these 2 functions, you can create that one in a single line, in a single code also you can able to create. How can I create using this? We can combine this a range and reshape. Those things you can combine and you can able to create in a single line. Okay, that is np dot range, okay, of 15, okay, dot reshape. I'm going to reshape into 3 rows and 5 columns. Okay, execute it and see what is a. Okay, okay, the same result I'm getting. Okay, instead of going for this 2 line of code, you can give in a single code as well. Okay, that one also possible. Okay, now I want to know what is the shape of this A. What is the shape of this A? I want to know. Okay, then what is the command I can use here? You can see we have seen the attribute here. If you want to know the shape, means you need to use the created name of the NumPy array dot shape. Okay, this is the okay, command you need to use. Okay, therefore, I want to know the shape, means you can use A dot shape. A dot shape. Okay, it will be giving the shape. What is the shape? Okay, it will be 3 rows and 5 columns. The shape of this A array is 3 rows and 5 columns. Now I want to know the dimension. What is the dimension of this A? Okay, therefore I can use okay, this A dot d n dim. Okay, you can see here. Okay, we have already given A n dim is a command that is useful for giving you the dimension. Okay, I'm executing. What is the dimension? Is it is a 2-dimensional array. Okay, now I want to know the data type. What is the data type that is there in A? Okay, you can use just A dot D type. What is the data type here? It is an integer. Okay, it is an integer 32. Okay, what is the item size? The item size, you want to know the item size of this A, means just give A dot item size. Okay, it will be giving 4. Okay, that is the byte. It is taking 4 bytes to store this one. Okay, then if you want to know the size, size means how many number of data element there in your array A. Okay, by executing this A dot size, okay, there are 15 numbers are there. 15 data elements are there in your array. You can see it is a 15 numbers are there. Okay, therefore, okay, this is what some basic thing. Okay, let us okay now see what is how to create 1-dimensional array, 2-dimensional array, and 3-dimensional array. Okay, I want to create a 1-dimensional array. That is, okay, I can just use okay np dot arrange. Okay, using the I need to give some. Okay, for 15 I'm giving just I am giving 6. Okay, you can see. Okay, this is a one dimensional. This is a 1-dimensional array. How can I check what is the dimension of this A? Just give A dot n dim. Okay, A dot n dim giving it's showing the result as 1. Therefore, it is a 1-dimensional array. Now I want to create a 2-dimensional array. Okay, you want to create a 2-dimensional array, means you need to give. Okay, I'm going to create a 2-dimensional array. Okay, you can see. Okay, these are the elements okay, for the 2-dimensional array in my okay. I'm executing it, and you can see what is B here. B will be having these values, and I want to know what is the dimension of B. Just give B dot n dim. Okay, therefore it will be 2-dimension. It will be 2-dimension. Okay, or else you can use the reshape function. Okay, you can use the reshape function. For example, okay, the same values. Okay, np dot range of of 6, and I'm going to use the reshape function. Okay, reshape of 2,3. Okay, therefore it will be creating a 2-dimensional array. Let us see b1 dot n dim. Okay, it will be okay. This one also creates a 2-dimensional array. Okay, now I want to create a 3-dimensional array. Okay, you can use the same combination of arrange and reshape function. Okay, therefore C is equal to np dot arrange for let us say 24 dot reshape. Okay, I'm going to reshape a 3-dimensional array. Therefore, I am giving like this, and okay, execute it, and I want to see what is C. Okay, you can see this is a 3-dimensional array, and if you want to know the dimension, just okay, C dot n dim. Okay, it will be displaying you the dimension. Okay, this is the basic thing you have learned. Now we are moving on to the next one. Okay, how to perform some NumPy basic operations. Okay, how to perform some basic operation using NumPy. Let us okay, I want to perform some arithmetic operation and other logical operation. Okay, those things also can able to easily perform with NumPy. Okay, let us create array with a. Okay, in that one I am having okay elements, 4 elements I'm going to have here. Okay, let us take okay, these are my elements. Therefore A will be having what is the error here? Yeah, I have missed this square bracket here. Okay, A will be having this values 2, 3, 5, 6. Okay, and I'm going to create a B array. Okay, with np dot range. I'm going to use the range function here. Okay, for 4 elements. Okay, here also 4. I'm using here the 4 values here as well. Okay, therefore B will be having okay, these elements. Okay, now I want to perform the addition. Okay, you can just create one more array C. Okay, you can use A plus B. It will be giving you the result. Okay, you can see the addition operations performed. Okay, similarly you can do the subtraction or multiplication, whatever you want you can perform. Okay, A minus B. Okay, it will be giving the subtraction. Okay, now I want to perform element wise multiplication. Okay, therefore you can create A star B and call that one. Okay, this is the element wise. So now we want to have now we want to perform a power operation. Okay, just to create a equal to. Okay, in order to perform the likewise you can create and you can get the power operation. Okay, then you can likewise you can do perform your logical operations as well. For example, okay, this I want to check whether this is greater than 30. Okay, A, the elements of A array is greater than 30. It will be giving the logical result. Yes, sir. Okay, all that. Okay, because that is less than 30. Okay, likewise it is giving logical results also will be giving. Okay, now I want to get the sum of the all elements in elements in A. Okay, just you can call this A dot sum. It will be giving you the okay the sum of all elements there in A. Okay, you can see what is the sum here. Okay, 3, 6. Okay, then it is showing the values. Okay, then you can go if you want to know what is the minimum value in A. Okay, just call A dot min. Okay, it will be displaying you the minimum value. Okay, what is the if you want to know the what is the maximum value in the array A. Okay, then you can call A dot max. Okay, it will be displaying the maximum element. Okay, likewise you can do some basic operations in okay using this numpy as well. Okay, now we want to get the exponent values for this A. Okay, just use this function. Okay, np dot exp. np dot exp. In that I want to get the values for A. Just give that one. Okay, will be getting. Okay, this is the one values. Okay, then I want to get the square root. I want to get the square root for A. Okay, just use this function sqrt, square root of A. Okay, it will be giving the square root values for what are the data elements there in the array. Okay, it will be giving the square roots. Okay, therefore, okay, like that you can you can able to perform the basic arithmetic logic operations using this one. Okay, if you want to use the sign, okay, you want to use the sign cos. Okay, that one also you can easily use here. Okay, for example, okay, I want to perform. I want to multiply 2 for sign of A. Okay, how can I do that one? Okay, just type 2 star np dot sign. Okay, sign of A. Okay, sign of A. What are the data elements there in the array A? All will be the sign value of those elements will be got, and that will be multiplied by 2. So that is also possible now. Okay, you can check that these are the result you will be getting. Okay, likewise, whatever you want to perform the operations for your development of your machine learning models, you can just use these functions. Okay, then it will be easy for developing your algorithms. Okay, now, okay, do you have any doubts still till now? Okay, use the chat box. Okay, let me know if you have any doubts in to here. You can use the chat box. Okay, I hope this is good. Okay, let us move on to the next one. Okay, now I want to get the sum. Okay, for column wise. Okay, okay, I want to get the sum in column wise. Okay, for that one you need to use okay, for that one you need to use the 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional array. Whatever you are creating in 1 dimension, you can't be able to get this one. Okay, if you can work with the 2-dimensional 3 version in order to get the column array. Okay, therefore column sum. Okay, therefore I'm going to work with a 2-dimensional array. Okay, here I want to get the sum of each column. Okay, sum of each column. That means I want to get the result 0 plus 3. There is 3. Okay, 1 plus the second columns 1 plus 4, 5, and 2 plus 5, 7. Okay, like that I want to get the result. Okay, how can I do that one? Okay, for that one we need to use okay b1 dot sum. Okay, sum of, you need to specify access here. Okay, you need to specify access. Access is equal to 0. Okay, if you are giving access is equal to 0 means it will be giving you the okay the column wise sum. Okay, it will be giving you the column wise sum. Okay, now it is in markdown. It's changing to a code. Okay, therefore b1 dot sum. Okay, okay, in that one you are specifying access is equal to 0. 0 means what? You are going to get the sum of each column. Let's execute that one. Okay, therefore what is the sum for this b1 array, 2-dimensional array? Okay, that's 0 plus 3, that is 3. 1 plus 4, 5. Okay, the sum is 5. In the third column, okay, 2 plus 5. What is the sum? 7. Okay, therefore you got column wise sum. Okay, now I want to get row wise sum. The row wise means like this manner. Okay, I want to get the sum for this row. Okay, what is the sum here? 3. What is the sum for this row, second row? Okay, 9. 9 plus 3 12. Okay, likewise you want to get the sum means you can go access is equal to 1. Okay, let us see that one. b1 dot sum access equal to 1. Okay, access 1 means it is a row wise. Okay, we will be calculating the values by row wise. Okay, if you are specifying access is equal to 0, it is a column wise. Okay, you are 1, you are giving means it's a row wise. Let us execute this cell. Okay, we will be getting the okay 3 comma 13. Okay, therefore the sum of the this b1 array with the row it is 3 and 12. Okay, like that okay, like this you can able to get the okay results. So now similarly you can able to perform minimum, okay, maximum, all those things you can able to perform here. Now I want to see what is the minimum value in a column. Okay, in a column. Okay, in a column wise I want to check what is my minimum data element. Therefore you can use okay, b1 dot minimum. What is the access I need to use here? What is the access? It is 0. I want to get my minimum value in column. In each column, what is the minimum value? I want to know that one. Okay, then you need to use okay, the name of the array that you have created dot minimum. That is a function. In that one, you need to specify access equal to 0 or 1. It is 0 because I want to get the column wise minimum. Okay, execute it. Okay, we'll be getting column wise minimum. Okay, what is the minimum? B1 is this one, and okay, what is the minimum here? 0. Okay, in this first column, 0 is the minimum. In second one, okay, what is the minimum? 1. In third column, what is the minimum that element here? 2. Okay, therefore we are getting the result as 0, 1, 2. Then you want to get the maximum. If you want to get the maximum, you can go the same way. Or if you want to get a minimum for row wise, okay, you can change the axis as 0. Okay, let us see that one. Okay, I want to get a minimum in row wise. Okay, therefore axis you are giving as 1. Okay, you will be getting, okay, the minimum value according to row wise. In row wise, what is in the first row, what is the minimum value? 0. In second row, what is the minimum value? 3. Okay, therefore you are getting 0, 3. That is the minimum value in B1 array. Okay, similarly, the maximum also will be working. Let us check that one also. Okay, B1, I want to get a column wise maximum value. Okay, max, okay, access. Column wise means you need to give access is equal to 0. Access is equal to 0. Okay, therefore, we'll be getting maximum values in that B1 array, and we are giving B1 dot max in the access. X you are giving, sorry, access equal to 1 you are giving, you will be getting row wise maximum values. Likewise, you can perform these operations. Okay, the basic operations you can able to perform. Okay, now let us move on to the next topic, that is indexing. How to index your your data elements that is there in array. How to index or how to slice your data elements. That is indexing, slicing. Indexing and slicing. First, first we will be creating an we will create an array, okay, using the name A. Okay, I'm going to use the sequence. I'm going to use the a range in order to generate a sequence of array. Okay, let us create a 10 sequence numbers. So that is multiplied by 2. Okay, np dot. I need to use np dot a range. Okay, a range of 10 numbers. Okay, starting from 0, it will be starting from 0, and it is multiplied by 2. Okay, now I want to see what is A. Okay, therefore, this A contains, okay, these values. Okay, A will be containing these values. Now I want to now I want to access the second element. Okay, now I want to access the second element. How can I access the second element? Okay, already you know the array, the indexing will be starting with 0. Okay, I want to know the second element means. Okay, therefore this is the second element, the indexing. This is the second element. Okay, indexing will be starting with 0 and 1. What is the index number here? 1. Therefore, I want to access the second element means you need to give A of 1. Okay, that will be accessing the second element. Therefore, it will be getting the result as 2. Okay. Now I want to access the fifth element. Okay, need to give fifth element. Okay, A of. Okay, what is the fifth element? It will be starting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it will be 10. Okay, therefore, I want to access the sixth element means you can go. Okay, you will be getting, okay, 10. Okay, therefore, indexing is starting with 0. Okay, 0, 1. Indexing is starting with 0. Okay, therefore, it will be, if you are accessing the fifth, you are giving A of 5 means, okay, it will be indexing will start with 0 and go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, therefore, A of 5, it will be giving the result as 10. Okay, you need to remember that indexing that will be starting with 0. So now I want to get the some numbers that is starting with the second element and ending with fifth element. Okay, how can I access? How can I get that one? Okay, you need to give a of, okay, the 2 a colon 5. Okay, it will be giving you the result with okay the second indexed value to fifth one. Okay, second indexed value to fifth one. Okay, you can see 0, 1, 2. Okay, it is starting with the second and it will be ending with before fifth. Okay, that is 2, 3, 4. Up to here you will be getting. Okay, you can access the range of the range of values in array using this one. If you want to get the reverse of array, okay, you want to get the reverse of array, what is there in A? Okay, this is starting with 0, 2, 4, like this it is starting. Now I want to get a reverse of array. How can I get okay, that is also possible using okay this one. Okay, okay, colon minus 1. Okay, colon minus 1 if you are giving means it will be giving you the reverse values of A. It will be giving you reverse values of A. And now, okay, let us create a two-dimensional matrix. Okay, I'm going to create a two-dimensional matrix here. How can I create two-dimensional? Okay, using okay, you can use arrange function, or you can use both arrange and reshape. Using that one, you can able to create a two-dimensional array. I'm creating. I'm using the range of 12 elements dot reshape. Okay, using the reshape, I'm giving 3 rows and 4 columns. Okay, therefore, okay, the B will be a two-dimensional array with 3 rows and 4 columns. Okay, the B array will be having 3 rows and 4 columns. So now in this one, I want to index. Okay, in this two-dimensional array, I want to access the data elements that is there in two-dimensional array. Then how can I access? Okay, I want, for example, okay, I want to access, okay, in the third row, I want to access third row, okay, the fourth element, okay, the third row, and in fourth column, one value I want to access. Then you can go for okay, B of okay, B of okay, third. Here also the indexing will be starting with a 0. Okay, here also the indexing will start with 0. Therefore, here the first row will be indexing will be 0. Second row indexing will be 1. Third row indexing will be 2. Okay, therefore, if you want to access any element in third row means you need to give the value as okay 0, 1, 2. You need to give 2. You should not use 3. You should not. Therefore, it's a third column. I'm using 3 means you will be getting you will be not getting any result, or you will be getting the wrong values. Okay, the indexing will be starting with 0 here as well. Okay, the first row will be 0 index. Okay, the first index and second index. Similarly, the column as well. Okay, this is the 0 index will be 0. Indexing will be 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now okay, like that. Okay, I want to access here this element. Okay, 10 is the element I want to access. Then what is my okay, what is my values? Okay, what is the index number here for 10? Okay, that it is a third row. Third row means what is the index? 2. Okay, row index is 2. Okay, then column index. Okay, column index 1. Sorry, 0, 1, 2. Column index is also 2. Okay, therefore, okay, you need to give 2, 2. Okay, by giving that one, okay, we'll be getting that. You will be accessing that element. Okay, you can see now here 10. Okay, now I have access. Okay, similarly, I want to get a second row. In the second row, some element in second row. Second row means what is the index? Indexing value here 1. Okay, 1. And in fourth row, fourth column. In fourth column means what is the indexing? 3. Okay, therefore 3. I want to access the last one. Okay, that is in okay, second row, the indexing will be 1, and the last column, okay, the indexing will be 3. Okay, let us see. Okay, 1, 3. Okay, what is the result you will be getting? Okay, 7. Okay, this is a number you have accessed now. Okay, likewise, you can access the data elements in 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional, whatever you are having a array. you can able to access that one. So now I want to show all okay, all are okay, first two, okay, first two rows, okay, first two rows all column values. Okay, I want to show, I want to access first two rows in this array, first two rows all column values. How can I access now? How can I get the result now? By using, okay, that is starting with the, what is the index for first two rows? You can give 0 to 1. Okay, 0 to 1, that is the indexing. Can all columns. or you can, if you want to know, if you want to only the values for the second, okay, only the value for the second column, okay, you can give second. You will be getting, okay, the value 2. Okay, likewise wherever you need, okay, you can able to access your data element. And now we will be getting, using this one, okay, we will be getting the first 0th row and second index, first index and second index row in second column. What are the values there in, okay, 0th indexed row and the first indexed row in second column. Okay, let us see that one. 0 to 2, okay, 1. Okay, therefore we will be getting, okay, the values from okay, for first row to third row, okay, we'll be getting the second column value. Okay, that is 1 5. Okay, that is the value will be accessed now. So now I want to have all the row elements in particular column. Okay, all the row elements I want to know, I want to have for a particular column. Okay, how can I get that one? Okay, like by using this one. Okay, let us all elements means you need to use this colon, comma, in one means what? It is a second, in this is a second column. Okay, all elements in row in which column? Indexing is 1. Therefore, it is second column. Therefore, the indexing starting with 0 and it will be go to 1, 2, 3. Therefore, if you are giving 1 here means it is a, okay, this is the second column. Therefore, executing this one, we will be getting, okay, the all row values for column 1 index. 1 index means this one. Okay, we'll be having 1 5 9. Okay, these are the values therein. Okay, the one indexed column. Okay, all row values in one first indexed column. Okay, that is what this this one. So now we want to get okay, each column in the second and third row. Okay, each column value in the second and third row means you can go for, okay, this one. Okay, b of 1 colon 3. Okay, then the all, if you want to get all access, if you want to access all elements in the array means you need to just give column. Okay, therefore it will be giving, okay, the from 1 to 3 indexed values, all, okay, all elements in 1 to 3. Okay, that will be getting, okay, these two all column values from 1 to 3. Okay, this is what we will be getting. So now we want only the last row. Okay, in this B. Okay, in this B two-dimensional array, you want to get only the okay, you want to get only the last row means you can go, okay, -1. Okay, it will be showing you the last row. Okay, similarly, okay, the last column you want. Okay, you want only the last column. Okay, then you can go, okay, this B. Then last column means 1. First one will be row. Then last column means the second one. After comma, you need to give -1. -1 means it will be giving you the last column values. You can see the last column, what is there? 3, 7, 11. Okay, we'll be getting 3, 7, 11. Okay, therefore, okay, till now what the, okay, by Numpy we have seen the basic operations. Okay, these are the basic operations we have seen. Now to create, okay, we will be starting with the creation of Numpy and what are the different ways of creating 1-dimensional, 2-dimensional, 3-dimensional array, and doing some mathematical logical operations, and the indexing and the accessing or slicing your created array. So these things we have seen. So let us move on to the next package. Next library in Python, that will be useful for your development of your machine learning algorithms. Okay, that is the name of that package is Pandas. Okay, that is Pandas. Okay, the Pandas. What is Pandas? Okay, the Pandas it is extensively for performing the data manipulation or visualization for machine learning models. Okay, it will be extensively useful for performing some data manipulations, operations, and visualization. The visualization of your data for your whatever the algorithm you are developing. Okay, it will be giving high performance data manipulation and data analysis. Okay, this Pandas library, it will be it is built on top of your Numpy. Okay, it will be, that means it will be making use of your Numpy library. Okay, for fast and effective result generation. Okay, using this Pandas, we can able to perform the data processing and analysis steps. Okay, for example, the loading, organizing, manipulating, and modeling your data and analyzing this data. All these operations are you can able to easily perform with the Pandas package. Okay, in Pandas, we will be dealing with two major data structure. The one for the first one is series. That series is, it is similar to, you can say it is a one-dimensional NumPy array. That is similar to one-dimensional NumPy array. The next one is data frame. Okay, this one is the most widely used important data structure. Most widely used important data structure. Okay, in any okay, the data analysis and modeling. Okay, therefore, the data frame. Okay, here the data frame in this data frame. Okay, it will be data frame is nothing but a table. Okay, data frame, it is a table. Table means what? We will be having rows as well as columns. Okay, therefore, the data frame in Pandas, it is a table where you will be having columns and rows. Okay, therefore, okay, the data frame is a two-dimensional data structure. Okay, it is a two-dimensional data structure, and data is aligned in a tabular fashion with rows and columns. And the rows and columns, rows will be having indices, and columns will be having the column name. Okay, using that one, we can able to access those things. Okay, then how can I import the Pandas library into your working environment? Okay, just give import Pandas alias PD. Okay, I'm going to use a PD as a name for the Pandas library. Okay, therefore, I want to create a Pandas series. The series, I'm going to create a Pandas series here. Okay, therefore, PD, I'm calling the library Pandas as PD and series. In series, I'm going to give some numbers. Okay, these are the numbers I'm going to have. Okay, just to give yes, okay, it will be displaying. Okay, these are the element that is there in my series, Pandas series. Okay, therefore you can see this created. Okay, the series is created and it is displaying the values. Okay, now the important one. Okay, now we are going to move on to the Pandas data frame. Okay, creation of Pandas data frame. Okay, here, okay, in order to create a data frame, okay, you can see you can create a data frame as df, that is equal to, okay, Pandas I am calling PD dot data frame. Okay, PD dot data frame. This is the one you need to create. I am going to create a Pandas based on dictionary. Okay, from the dictionary I am going to create a Pandas. Okay, therefore, first you need to now I am creating a dictionary. Okay, in the dictionary I will be having some values. Okay, these are my values I am having in can give okay, likewise you can give many values here for the creation of dictionary. Okay, then age I'm going to give here for this two persons age. Okay, that will be given some age. This is the age for this people. Then I'm going to give some okay, the index values for them. Okay, in index the values, so I'm going to give as some rank. Okay, rank 1, rank 1, rank 2. Okay, likewise I'm going to create okay, therefore it will be having these values in a dictionary. I'm going to create for okay, for this values I'm going to create a data frame. So therefore I'm giving print of df. Therefore it will be displaying you the created data frame. Now you can see whatever there I am having in dictionary, okay, keys and values, that is represented in the form of tabular manner. Okay, that tabular manner with the rows and columns. Okay, this is what creation of a data frame using dictionary. Okay, from dictionary. Okay, now I want to okay, I'm having a CSV file. Okay, I'm having a CSV file. Based on that CSV file, I want to create a data frame. Okay, how can I do that one? Okay, for that purpose, the Pandas will be having a special function that called read CSV. Okay, read CSV. That is the function name that you using that function you can able to easily access the CSV file. Okay, therefore, okay, I want to okay, I want to access the CSV file. What is the function name here? Read underscore CSV. Okay, this is the function, and you need to specify the file name of our CSV. File name of our CSV. For example, okay, I'm already in that folder. Okay, what are the folder I have created? Initially, I have asked you to create a folder. In that folder, I'm having this CSV file. Okay, therefore, I'm not giving any path here because my Python file is here. Therefore, it will be taking here from here itself. Okay, therefore, okay, this is the file name. Okay, this is the file CSV file I'm going to access. Okay, just I'm giving excuse me. Okay, therefore, I'm going to access a CSV file. Okay, the CSV file is already there here in my working Python file. Therefore, I am not at all given any okay, the path here. Okay, if your file is somewhere else in your system, means you need to give the actual path. Okay, where it is there. For example, it is there in D directory, means you need to give D directory and the folder name. After that, this file name. Okay, now for simplicity, I am having this file in the same working where my Python file I have created. Okay, therefore, it will be directly accessing from that one. Okay, therefore, I am going to read a CSV file using read CSV. Okay, using the read CSV, I am going to okay, read this CSV file. Okay, therefore, I am executing. Okay, this one I forgot to give. This pandas. Okay, you need to call that library pd dot read CSV. After that one only it will be calling the pandas library. Then it will be call this function. Okay, read this CSV. Okay, therefore, okay, it will be reading the it is now the df1 data frame. Now it have read this file, this CSV file. Now I want to know first 5 elements of my data from df1. For that purpose, we will be having a special function that is head. Okay, which from okay, I want to have first 5 data elements. Therefore, I am going to use head df1 dot head. Okay, it will be displaying you the first 5 elements. What is there in my red file? Okay, this is my red file. Okay, megamod sales.csv. This is my red file. In that file, I'm going. Okay, it will be displaying first 5 5 records by using this head. Okay, with this head function that will be useful. Okay, now I want to know what is my last 5 elements. Okay, you can just call df1 dot type. Okay, df1 dot type. Okay, therefore it will be displaying you the last 5 records in your red file. Okay, these are my 5 records. Okay, therefore you can see in this file I am having order ID. Okay, the order ID. Actually, this is a megamod sales file. Okay, therefore it will be having some order ID. Okay, then product name, the name of the product is there, and discount, how much discount is given for that product, sales, then profit, how much profit earned, then quantity, okay, how much quantity is there, then category, what is the category of this product, whether it is office supplies, furniture, technology, likewise the category is given, then subcategory, the subcategory is given as the label, furniture, access, likewise subcategories will be there. Therefore these okay, df1 dot head, that will be reading your first 5 records in your CSV file. This file, this function read, df1 dot tail, it will be reading the last file. It will be reading last file. Okay, now I want to get to know the statistical summary of all all records in my all numerical records in my read file. Okay, I want to get the statistical summary. What is the statistical summary? Okay, the statistical summary, it will be displaying the mean value, median value, mean value, maximum value, mean standard deviation value, count value, and quartile value. Okay, the 25% quartile, 50% quartile, then 75% quartile. Okay, these values it will be displaying you. Okay, let us see that one. So therefore, I want to get the statistical summary. How can I get that one? For that one, I will be having on this Pandas library, that will be giving one more function called describe. Describe. By using this describe function, you will be it will be displaying the statistical summary of your red file. Okay, that is mega mod sales file. You can see here the count. How many? Okay, it will be displaying you only the numerical column. Only the numerical column it will be displaying. Okay. Therefore, what is the how many count? Okay, count in discount column. What is the count? 59 number of counts are there. Sales 59. Okay. Similarly, profit and quantity 59 columns are there. What is the mean value for the discount column? Okay, this one. Then what is the sales for the sales column? What is my standard deviation? Okay, this is the standard deviation for my sales. What is the minimum value in quantity? 1 is the minimum value. What is the 25 quartile value for profit? Okay, this is my 25% quartile value. What is the maximum value in sales? Okay, this is the maximum value. Okay, therefore, this describe function is the one of the most useful function for statistical modeling. Okay, therefore, it will be displaying you the statistical summary. It will be displaying you the statistical summary of your file. Okay, the next one. Okay, now I want to sort my data frame. Based on some based on the column. Okay, based on the column I want to sort. Okay, how can I sort? Okay, this one the Pandas library, that will be giving a sort index function. Using that one, you can able to sort. Okay, the sort df1 of sort index. Okay, here I am going to column. Column means what? You need to it will be the what is the access value here? Column means it is the 0. Therefore, I am going to sort based on access, and I want to based on access equal to 0 means the column based sorting I want to perform. Now I want to display only the 5 data elements. First top 5. Therefore, it will be displaying the top 5. Okay, that is sorted by column. Okay, it is sorted by column. Okay, now I want to display using the I'm going to display in ascending order. Okay, I want to sort all the data elements here in this file in ascending order. Therefore, you can give one more parameter here in the same function, sort index. Okay, access equal to 0. Access equal to 0 means column wise will be sorting. Okay, access equal to 0, comma, we will be giving okay ascending is equal to false. You will be giving ascending is equal to false, then you will be getting the result. Okay, I want to display top 5 values. So therefore, we will be getting the results here. Okay, then I want to index or I want to based on the name, column name. Okay, the column name. You can see what are the column name here. I am having order ID, product name, discount, sales, profit. Okay, like this column name I am having. So based on this column name, I want to sort. Okay, then how can I sort? So that is one more function here is available with the Pandas. Okay, D1 dot sort values. Okay, sort values. Sort values. Okay, by by any column name. You can, for example, you can take sales. You can take sales. Sales. Okay, based on the sales, I'm going to sort. Comma ascending is equal to false. I'm giving. Okay, ascending equal to false. I'm giving here. Okay, therefore it will be displaying you. I'm going to display only the top 5. Okay, therefore you can add top head here. Okay, therefore here, what is this function? Okay, this function it will be displaying you the sales record in. Okay, based on this one sales. Okay, based on this one, it will be sorting. Okay, based on the sales column, it will be sorting. Let us execute this one. Okay, you can see. Okay, based on the sales, it is sorted. Okay, ascending is equal to false because ascending is equal to false. Therefore, it is giving in descending order. If you are not giving ascending is equal to false, you are giving means it will be displaying in ascending order. Okay, then okay, now I want how can I index? How can I index or do some slicing on my data in data frame? Okay, it is similar to what we have seen in Numpy. Okay, for example, I want to select the rows from the indices 2 to 6. Okay, I want to select the rows from indices 2 to 6. Therefore, df1. Okay, you can use the same. Okay, row and up to what? Okay, 2 to 6. I want to have. Okay, therefore, you can give this one. Okay, you will be having 2 to 6 rows here. Okay, now I want to select a particular column. Okay, I want to select a particular column. I want to give some name as a sale for the sales column. Okay, df1. From there, I'm going to access only one column. Okay, I want to access only one column. Therefore, I'm calling. I'm creating one. Okay, the variable here. I'm going to call that data frame df1. In that one, I'm going to have only one column. Okay, therefore, it will be displaying the what is there in sales. Okay, that is assigned with this sales. Okay, you can see the sales. Okay, these are my sales records. Okay, now I want to. Okay, now I want to select multiple column. Okay, I want to select a multiple column. Okay, for example, okay, we will be having here sales, profit, discount, likewise quantity we will be having. Now I want to select sales and profit. Both column I want to select. How can I select? You can go S1 is equal to D of 1 of. In that one, you need to give what are the column I want to access? Sales. Okay, comma. Next one, profit. Okay, these two columns I want to access. Therefore, you are giving that name separated by column. Okay, then okay, only the top 5 I want to display. Therefore, I am giving head. Okay, it will be displaying only top 5. Okay, therefore, okay, I am executing it. Yes, yeah. So, what is there in S1? Okay, we will be having 2 column. Okay, we will be having 2 column. You can see now this is a data frame. This created now with the 2 columns, sales and profit. And it is showing because of head function here, it is showing only the top 5. Okay, this is the some. Okay, these are some essential things you need to know from data frame. Okay, now okay, some condition based extraction. You want to extract some values from your data frame based on some condition. Okay, for example, you want to display the values which is greater than say 50 in profit. In profit, you want to display the values that is greater than 50. Like this, you want to get means. Okay, you can call the like this one. Okay, df1. That is the data frame name we have given. Okay, that data frame name. Okay, I want to okay, df1 of profit. Okay, the profit one that should be greater than some value. Profit here I have given column name as capital P. Therefore, you need to give capital P only. Okay, therefore profit. Okay, that should be okay. That should be let us say greater than okay 50. Okay, for those values I want to get it now. Okay, I want to display only the head. Okay, let us execute this one. It will be displaying. Okay, what is there above 50 profit? Above 50 profit. Okay, these are the records. Okay, these are the records we will be getting. We will be having the top 5 above 50 values. Okay, from that your data frame. Okay, likewise, you can able to extract your value based on some condition as well. And now let us move on to the next.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, madam.
Sir?
Yes.
Yeah, one small information to the participants. Participants, I have shared the link for participation form and feedback. Okay, it will be there for 4:45. Okay, so you can fill it. Then your participation will be confirmed. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, the next library we are going to see is Matplotlib. What is this Matplotlib? Okay, this is the library in Python. Okay, that is used for okay the visualization. Okay, the graph visualization. Okay, in order to visualize your data in the form of graph or plot. Okay, you can use this library. That is Matplotlib. Okay, here one module is there in Matplotlib. The name is called PyPlot. Okay, therefore this PyPlot is the most useful module. Okay, using this module, we can able to create many type of charts. Okay, the bar chart we can create. Okay, line chart. Okay, histogram we can create. A box plot. Okay, some error charts. Okay, whatever the charts we can we want. Okay, those charts we can able to create. Okay. Okay, using this PyPlot model, you can able to customize your plotting as well. Okay, for example, you can give some different line style, is different font properties you can use, and different formatting accesses you can do. All these things is possible by using this Matplotlib. Okay, here this Matplotlib library that one also it is along with, it will be working along with the Numpy only. Okay, it will be will be working along with Numpy library. Therefore, the Numpy is the basic one. Okay, based on that library only, most of the libraries are built. Okay, therefore, this Matplotlib library also that is that will be working with along with Numpy in order to provide some effective results. Okay, therefore, let us move on to this visualization with the Matplotlib. Okay, therefore, okay, I want to create a simple chart, a line chart. Okay, therefore, first I am importing the Numpy. Okay, already I told it is Numpy, that is along with the Numpy, the Matplotlib that will be giving more effective results. So therefore, I am first importing this Numpy. I'm going to access as Numpy as well here. Okay, therefore, Numpy as NPy I am importing. Then I am going to import a Matplotlib. Okay, I'm going to import Matplotlib dot PyPlot. Okay, PyPlot is the module. I already told the PyPlot model that will be useful for plotting any type of plot. Okay, therefore I'm importing this Matplotlib dot PyPlot module as PLT. Okay, likewise I'm going to import. Okay, therefore okay, I want to plot a line plot now. Okay, I'm going to create a x coordinate. Okay, with some okay, NP range. What is NP range? It is we'll be giving a number. Okay, it will be giving a sequence of number based on the numbers you have specified in that one. Okay, therefore I'm going to use np arrange np.arrange. Okay, I'm going to start with 0 and I'm going to end with 10. The y coordinate, okay, that will be for simplicity I'm going to use x for 2. Okay, this is my y. Therefore x will be 0 to 10, y will be that is squares of the 0 to 10. Okay, let us see what is x now. Okay, we have to execute first that one. Okay, now I am executing this x. Okay, therefore x will be having 0 to 9. Okay, these are the elements you got now. Okay, then what is y? Okay, the squares of that values. Okay, okay, these are my x and y. Okay, now okay, I want to plot a simple line plot based on this x and y. Okay, how can I plot? Okay, using this plot function. Okay, from the Matplotlib, pyplot is the module. Okay, that I have imported as plt plot. I have imported as plt. Therefore, I am using this plt dot plot. Plot of simply you can call plot of x comma y. Simply you can call x comma y plot. Plt dot plot of x comma y. Okay, just execute this one. Okay, now you can able to see a plot. Okay, for this x value and y value. Simply you got now. Okay, simple line chart you can able to create. Just I have created x and y using some random numbers, and I called a function plot. Okay, using the matplotlib dot pyplot. Okay, that one I have named as plot. Okay, therefore the I am calling as plt dot plot. Okay, therefore it will be therefore it is giving you the a simple line chart. Now I want to give some labeling. Okay, I want to give some labeling for the axis. I want to, and also I want to give the name for the whole chart. Okay, how can I give? Okay, you can give. Now, for example, I want to give a title for this chart. Okay, therefore call that module, that is a matplotlib.pyplot, that is a plt. Simply we are calling, alias we are having a plt name. Okay, therefore plt dot title. Okay, plt dot title. Okay, in that one I'm going to give some okay, this line chart. Okay, line graph. Okay, likewise I'm giving. Okay, then okay, now execute this one. Okay, and pyplot dot show. Okay, it will be showing your plot with the title. You can see. Okay, you need to plot that one. Okay, plt dot plot of x comma y, and I'm going to show that one with the title. Okay, therefore you can see the title is given for your graph. Okay, now I want to give the axis name, x and y axis name. Okay, how can I give? Okay, using the same. Okay, plt dot x label. I want to give the x label. Therefore, I'm the function is here x label of the label. Okay, for example, it may be time here. X label. Okay, then I want to give y label as well. Okay, plt dot y label. Okay, it may be a distance. Okay, then I want to plot this one using plot dot plot of x comma y. Okay, therefore okay, we'll be getting okay the x name and y axis name. You got it now. Okay, likewise, you can label your x axis and y axis, and also you can give the title for your graph as well. So now I want to, by default, you can see the I have not specified the line color here, but it is showing some blue line. This default color for line is blue. So now I want to change this color. How can I change? Okay, that is you can use okay the same plot function, plot of x comma y. Okay, here you need to give. Okay, for example, I want to give color as red for this line. Okay, therefore you can use red. Okay, then you can see it is now changed. The line is here, it is changed into red. So now we can see it is a line. I want to show the points. I want to show the points using some symbol. I don't want a line chart. I want a scatter plot. I want to have a scatter plot. I don't want a line plot. Okay, then you can go for this command. Okay, in plot function you need to specify that one. Okay, the plt dot plot x comma y. Here I want to give some symbol for that. Okay, I'm giving the star. Okay, star will be displayed instead of line. Wherever the x and y the coordinates meets, that point will be displayed as star here. Okay, you can see now. Okay, instead of a line, it is showing the star. Okay, what are the symbol you are specifying here? So that symbol will be displayed here based on x and y. Okay, there is a formatting. This is called formatting the line type. So now I want to save this chart. Okay, I want to save this chart. How can I save? Okay, will be having a function in pyplot, that is plt dot save fig. Okay, save fig. This is the function. Here you can give the name. So whatever the name you want, okay, you can give. This is a scatter plot. I'm giving scatter dot format. What is the format? For example, I want to save in PDF format. Okay, therefore I'm giving dot extension as PDF, comma. Here you need to specify what is the format you want to save. Okay, format equal to PDF. Okay, then it will be saving this file, image as a PDF file. Okay, it will be saved. You can check here in that folder. Okay, that file will be there. Okay, scatter.pdf. This is how we have saved now. Just to click on that one. Okay, you can able to see that file image. Okay. Okay, this is what saving. Okay, now we want to give some legends. We want to give some legends or annotation you want to give means. Okay, that one also you can give here. Okay, for example, I want to give the legend. Okay, as okay, for that one, okay, I'm going to create one more. Already have created the x and y. Now I will be creating the z. Okay, z. Okay, that will be x for 3. Okay, I'm going to create one more variable t. So that will be x for 4. Okay, now I want to plot this thing. Okay, how can I plot? Using the calling the plot function. Okay, plot of x comma z I'm going to plot. Similarly, I'm going to plot of x comma t. Now I want to give the functions the legend. I want to give the legend as okay, plot dot legend. Then we need to use this function. Okay, here you need to give the what is the legend you want to give those for those plots. Okay, that one you can give here. Okay, that is so for example, line 1. Then you need to give within the quotes. Then line 2. Okay, likewise you can give. Okay, then okay, by executing this one, the graphs will be given with legend. You can see now. Okay, the legend is given. Okay, the blue color is line 1 and this orange color is line 2. Okay, likewise you can able to add the legend to your graph. Okay, now I want to. Okay, this is now till now we have seen the line chart and scatter chart. Now I want to create a bar chart. Okay, bar chart I want to create. Okay, then you can use a function called plt.bar. Okay, that is the function you can use for creating a bar chart. Okay, for example, I'm going to create one variable product. In that product, I will be having some array of some product name. Okay, these are my product name. Example, let us take simply this is XS and YY are my product name. And the sales will be sales. I'm going to use the NP array as well. If for sales, I'm going to create one more. The value should be something. Okay, that is comma values. So these are my product name and sales. Now I want to plot a bar graph for these two things. Means just call plot dot plt dot plt dot bar. Okay, just call bar. Okay, by using this bar, you can able to need to give this. What are the values you want to plot? Okay, the product comma sales. Okay, then plt dot. So it will be showing you the bar plot. Okay, you can see now the product name XS will be having the sales this one, and YY it will be having the sales like this one. Okay, this is how okay, plotting a bar plot. Okay, therefore in today's session, okay, we have learned about three packages. Okay, the three packages in Python we have learned, that is Numpy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. Okay, these three packages we have learned. In Numpy, okay, it is okay, numerical Python. You can able to perform okay the statistical modeling as well as the scientific computing. This by using this Numpy. The Pandas, okay, that is the data frame. Okay, it is a tabular format. It will be creating a rows and columns in a tabular format. Okay, using that one we can able to perform many operations. Okay, then Matplotlib, another package. Okay, in that by using that Matplotlib, okay, we have visualized that data set. Okay, this is about today's session. Okay, do you have any queries? Let me share in the. Please share in the chat box. If you have any queries, you can share here no, in chat. You can also fill this form feedback link. It is there. You can fill it.
It was a good session, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Okay, thank you for listening my lecture here and attending this workshop.